Ugh, I've got hiccups again. So annoying.
You know why that happens, right?
I don't know. Maybe I'm cursed.
Nope, it's your diaphragm messing up.
Wait, that muscle under your lungs?
Exactly. It usually helps you breathe smoothly, but sometimes when you eat too fast, drink soda, or even get stressed, it spasms.
And the hic sound?
That's your vocal cords suddenly snapping shut because of the spasm.
So my body's just glitching? Okay, but how do I fix it?
Try holding your breath, sipping cold water slowly, or even swallowing a spoonful of sugar.
Sugar?
Hey, if it works, it works.
I hope so.